Hey guys, CG Productions here today. Today we're gonna be doing a wheel swap on this Mercedes 190E. That's a majorette, as you can see. Let's just focus on that. Alright, it's hard to focus. Anyways, so we're gonna be doing a wheel swap. I'll show you how to do it. We're gonna be swapping wheels from this Crown Vic. It's also a custom I made just a long time ago, and yeah, so I found these perfect rims for it, as you can see. I'll just take them out. Okay, so these are really nice. Alright, so we're gonna get over to the list that you will need for a wheel swap. Well, not a list, the things you'll need. You will need you'll need a drill, as you can see, or a Dremel tool. Either way would work. And one of these kits that would hold like the parts, what they're called. So you'll need one of those, and maybe like one of these holder things if you want. Personally, I would hold it. I'll use it. So one of these holder things, and basically, yeah. So let's get over to the wheel swap. Okay, so now that we got the holder thing in place, one like quick fact, well, not a fact, it's more of like a hack, sort of a life hack. If you don't want your paint to scratch up in between these holders, you could fold a few pieces of paper, Kleenex, you know, and yeah, basically put it on the two sides of the car. And yeah, so you won't scratch your paint, and then you could just basically swivel the hole. And yeah. Okay, and now let's get on to drilling this part. Okay, now we're back inside. As you saw the time lapse over there, we drilled out the hole, and sometimes the cars have two rivets in there, but in this case it only has one, and it was pretty fast, to be honest. Usually it takes a bit longer, but yeah. So now we can take up the car. Okay, as you can see, it's the inside, and yeah, I might be painting this car later in some other video. Not sure how long that's gonna be, but since it's like gray, you know, it's gonna look good with these wheels when it's like black, and the color black. Okay, so now, as you can see, there's this little steel sort of thing, wire or whatever it's called. It's going around the car. That's what gives it its suspension. And yeah, we can start removing the thing. And yeah, so basically all you have to do for this car, you have to remove the back rims first. Let's just take them out real quick. Okay, so we took out the rims, as you can see. And if we try putting on the rear rims of the car, it's gonna be a bit harder to put on because the steel part just fell in there. Whoa. Okay, let's just take out, let's see, it's like one of those, like a paper clip in there, but okay, You will need to use, at least for these cars, you need to use a bit of like power, not power, but like, I can get this in there. Okay, got it in there. I think I bent it a bit. Oops. Oh, okay. So now that it's off, we can change both of the rims. Let's do that. Whoops. Okay, so we can put the other rims on. These are the back rims, and these are the front rims. Okay. Okay. So now we plop this underneath, and then bam, wheels are in. Let's put the body on. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, that's in. Where's the other piece? Oh, there's no other piece. Okay, and let's plop it in and let's see our finished product. Okay, there we go. And there it is, our finished product. It looks really good, as you can see. Looks much better than the stock rims. Gives it that more of a realistic feeling. They are rubber tires, so. And one cool sort of little thing, suspension still works. Let me just face it down. Suspension still works. I mean, it works a bit better with the older rims, but it doesn't really matter. These rims look much nicer, that's for sure. Anyways, that's how you do a wheel swap on some majorette cars. Because this is an older majorette car, so I'm not sure how the newer ones are. But yeah, this is how you do a wheel swap. And yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Share this video to some people that might want to know how to wheel swap their 1/64 scaled cars. And yeah, peace.